Back to the video, guys. So this is the last and final video on the Lattofigy 47-inch strobe light bar. The installation came out nice. Not as smooth as I wanted it to. You gotta remember the control box does not have a disconnect on it, so I had to come up with a different way of wiring it and able to hide my wires. So I've had a viewer request both a daytime and nighttime demonstration of the lights. I've already posted the nighttime demonstration. Now I'm going to post the daytime demonstration to show you how bright they are during the daytime. Now, once again, this has 20 different patterns that it can go through. I'm going to go and I'm going to flip through the pattern buttons, and I'll give 8 to 10 seconds per pattern. Alright, so just stand by. So that was 20 different patterns right there. We're back to the solid. And let me take you over here, Matt, and we'll show you the view from the back side. You can see the alleyway lights are on when they're solid. And if I change the pattern up here a little bit here, the alleyway lights still flash. So let's go around to the back side here and take a look at what it's doing on the back. For daytime, they're pretty bright. I believe you can see them, down the highway. If you're on the side of the road, you're gonna be able to see them quite clearly. So once again, let me show you the control box. The issue that I had with it. That's the control box once again. And it has no disconnect wire. It's solid hard wire from the control box all the way up to the light bar. So there's no way you're going to drill a hole, pass it through a brake light area, anything, to wire it on the inside of the frame of the truck. So that was the biggest drawback. The other drawback was it did not come with a inline fuse. And so I ended up going out and getting an inline fuse and plugging it, wiring one in. Yeah. So just be wise to that. Even though the picture shows an inline fuse coming with this, it does not. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm not a professional video maker. I've just looked for videos all over the place for this light bar by the consumer public. Found none. Only ones I could find was put out by the manufacturer. So if you do buy this, it's a good price point on Amazon, but please be aware of the couple of problems that you would have with this. With that being said, thanks guys for watching the videos, liking them, and I'll see you next time I decide to put up another video. Everybody have a good day.